I've shared many methods to access Seedance 2 for free. Most of them are patched now. So I'm back with another one. And stick around, because at the end, I'm also telling you how to use Seedance 2 with real faces. First, open Proton Mail and create your account. When done, copy your Proton Mail address. Now open Figma, or go directly to Weavy AI. Tap Start Now. Choose Login with Figma. When login is complete, tap Create New File. Every new account gets 150 free credits. Now, if you use Seedance 2 directly on Weavy AI, it costs 182 credits. That's more than your entire free balance. So here's what you actually do. Open Fal AI. Search for Seedance 2. Copy the model link. Go back to Weavy AI. Right-click anywhere and choose Import Model option and paste the link. Now copy your prompt from this website. Go back to Weavy AI. Right-click, choose Prompt option, paste your prompt here. Connect both nodes. Tap on the Seedance 2 node. The Settings panel opens on the right. Customize your settings however you want. Tap Run Model. Accept the warning if it appears. Tap Run Model again. This consumes only 10 credits, not 182. Fal AI image models don't accept real faces yet, but I have a video on exactly that coming in a few hours. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it.